Guys, we're here in Ripley's Aquarium. And there's a shark there. Wow. Look at this, how big this one is. Oh, there's the big one. You see that shark? That's a big one. Wow.
These look like those fish. If there's a bug crawling on the limb, they'll spit.
Yep.
Spit water and knock them off of the
It's a really big eel, baby. Not crabs.
They're in the Philippines.
Yeah, I think we
They
have.
eat them things too.
Yeah.
Gray sand dollar.
This one?
Yeah, if you see the circle, and on the sand dollar they have circle.
Guys, we're here in the big aquarium. And you see that? Going to Shark Lagoon.
That looks like an angry fish.
Yep. Where's the shark, baby? Black tip.
Black tip, green shark. That's white.
Look at his eyes.
That's a lot of fish in there, man. Huh? See the boat? The glass bottom boat. The shark's going right under it. And there's one. Did you see this one?
He's sleeping. He's sleeping, I think.
There's some pretty big ones there, man.
Oh guys, this is the king crab. Look how huge this one. Wow.
It's a giant Japanese spider crab.
Giant Japanese spider crab. Wow. Baby!
Like bonnet.
Look at that high! Whoa! They're smiling at you.
Those are like bonnet head sharks.
Yeah.
Similar to a hammerhead.
Yes. Oh, they're there. Oh, what are you doing there too? You wanna bamboo? Wow. Peace. You can do that, baby.
I've never done.
See, upside down pa. Look me. Oh, kid.
Yeah. And just, yeah. Everything is, I was telling them, everything is automatic reflex for them. Their movement, their hunting, eating, reproduction, everything is automatic right there. The female release the sperm. The sperm is absorbed up into her tentacles, fertilizes the little eggs that she carries, and then once the eggs are fertilized, they drop off somewhere and they'll attach. And then they'll begin to grow. And there's several different cycles of life before they can reach maturity. And it'll take close to 15 years.
Wow.
15 years.
Get him, get him,
Get him.
get him.
It's really big, baby. This is their souvenir. Oh, stingray. Oh, ano pa yung aquarium na ano? Oh, that's big. Oh, short teeth. Ara.